Computer graphics multiple choice questions. Number 1. The graphics can be A. Drawing, B. Photograph, movies, C. Simulation. The answer is D. That is all of these. Question number 2. Computer graphics was first used by. The answer is William Fetter in 1960. Question number 3. The component of interactive computer graphics are A. A light pen, B. Display unit, C. Bank of switches, D. All of these. The answer is D. That is all of these. Question number 4. Personal computer become powerful during the late B. 1970s. Question number 5. Three-dimensional computer graphics become effective in the late 1980s. Question number 6. Which environment has been one of the most accepted tool for computer graphics in business and graphics design studio? The answer is Macintosh. Question number 7. Graphics is one of the major key element in design of multimedia application. The answer is 5. Question number 8. Three-dimensional graphics become popular in game designing, multimedia and animation during the late 1990s. Question number 9. The Quake, one of the first fully 3D games, was released in the year 1996. Question number 10. Type of computer graphics are vector and raster. Question number 11. Vector graphic is composed of. The answer is B, that is paths. The raster graphics are composed of. The answer is A, that is pixel. Question number 13. The raster images are more commonly called bitmap. Question number 14. Pixel can be arranged in a regular two-dimensional grid. Question number 15. The brightness of each pixel is incompatible. Question number 16. Each pixel has dash basic color component. The answer is 3 or 4. The quantity of an image depend on. The answer is A, that is number of pixels used by image. Question number 18. Higher the number of pixels, dash the image quality. The answer is B, that is better. Question number 19. A palette can be defined as a finite set of color for managing the answer is B, that is digital image. Question number 20. Display card or VGA, EGA. The answer is both A and B. Question number 21. Display card is used for the purpose of. The answer is B, that is sending graphics data to output unit. Question number 22. Several graphics image file formats that are used by most of graphics system are GIF, JPEG, TIFF, all of these. The answer is all of these. Question number 23. The GIF format is much dashed to be downloaded or uploaded over the www. The answer is B, that is faster. Question number 24. Once a file is saved in JPEG format, some data is lost. The answer is permanently. Question number 25. EPS image file format is used for? Number A, vector graphics. Number B, bitmap. C, both A and B. Question number 26. TIFF, tagged image file format, are used for? The answer is B, that is bitmap. Question number 27. EPS means? Answer is C, that is encapsulated PostScript. Question number 28. The additive color models use the concept of? The answer is B, that is light to display color. Question number 29. The subtractive color model use the concept of printing ink. Question number 30. Color apparent in additive model are the result of? The answer is B, that is transmission of light. Question number 21. Color apparent in subtractive model are the result of? The answer is A, the amount of reflected light. Question number 32. Two-dimensional color model are? The answer is C, that is RBG and CMYK. Question number 33. RBG models are used for computer display. Question number 34. CMYK model are used for printing. Question number 35. The intersection of three primary RBG color produce? The answer is A, that is white color. Question number 36. The intersection of primary CMYK color produce? The answer is B, that is black color. Question number 37. The RBG model display a much dash percentage of the visible band as compared to CMYK. The answer is B, that is larger. Question number 38. Color depth can be defined by dash which can be displayed on a display unit. The answer is A, that is bits per pixel. Question number 39. Each bit represent? The answer is B, that is 2 color. Question number 40. RBG true color model has dash color depth. The answer is 24 bit. Question number 41. CMYK true color model has dash color depth. The answer is B, that is 32 bit. Question number 42. Grayscale image has a maximum color depth of? The answer is A, that is 8 bit. Question number 43. Graphics with limited feature is known as passive graphics. Question number 44. Computer of present time have much higher memory and dash storage capacity. The answer is B, that is much bigger. Question number 45. CRT means? The answer is B, that is cathode ray tube. Question number 46. Refresh CRT consists of? A, glass vapor. B, the phosphor viewing surface. C, the electron gun assembly. The answer is D, that is all of above. Question number 47. The amount of time the phosphor produce light or shine is controlled by chemical composition of phosphor. This is known as persistence. Question number 48. The electron beam in a color picture tube is refreshed dash times in a second to make video realistic. The answer is B, that is 25 times. Question number 49. Dust, D-U-S-T, means? The answer is a direct view storage tube. Question number 50. DUST is rarely used today as part of display system. Question number 51. In dust, is there refresh buffer? The answer is no. There is no any refresh buffer. Question number 52. The electron beam in dust is designed to draw directly to storage mesh. Question number 53. The second grid in dust is called collector. Question number 54. To increase the energy of these slow moving electrons and create a bright picture in dust, the screen is maintained at a high positive potential. Question number 55. A major disadvantage of dust in interactive computer graphics is? The answer is B, that is inability to selectively erase part of image from the screen. Question number 56. Interactive graphics is useful in training pilots, computer aided design, process control. The answer is D, that is all of these. Question number 57. The origin of computer graphics was developed in 1950s. The term business graphics come into use in late 1970s. Computer graphics is used in many DTP software as Photoshop, Paintbrush. The answer is C, that is both A and B. Question number 60. Any CRT based display must be refreshing at least dash times a second. The answer is B, that is 30 times. Question number 61. The standardization is needed: A, to make application program more portable, B, to increase their utility, C, to allow them to use in different application environment. The answer is A, that is all of these. Question number 62. GKS stand for Graphic Kernel System. Question number 63. GKS was developed by A, International Standards Organization, B, National Standard Organization, C, both A and B. The answer is both A and B. The resolution of raster scan display is low. Question number 60. Random scan systems are designed for? The answer is A, that is line drawing application. Question number 66. Solid pattern in random scan display is dash to fill. The answer is A, that is difficult. Question number 67. Raster scan is dash expensive than random scan. The answer is B, that is less. Question number 68. Two basic techniques for producing color display with a CRT are? The answer is B, that is beam penetration method and shadow mask method. Question number 69. In beam penetration method of color CRT, two layers of phosphor coated are red and green. Question number 70. In beam penetration method of color CRT, which layer is red and which is green? The answer is outer layer is red and inner layer is green. Question number 71. A shadow mask CRT has dash phosphor color dot at each pixel position. The answer is 3. Question number 72. Which color is produced with the green and red dot only? The answer is B, that is yellow. Question number 73. Which color produced with the blue and red dot? The answer is C, that is magenta. Question number 74. Cyan color is produced when the blue and green color are activated. The answer is A, that is equally. Question number 75. Which technique of color CRT is used for producing of realistic image? The answer is A, that is shadow mask method. Question number 76. In which method of CRT convergence problem occurs? The answer is B, that is shadow mask method. Question number 77. Beam penetration method is used in. The answer is A, that is random scan system. Question number 78. Shadow mask method is used in. The answer is B, that is raster scan system. Question number 79. Graphics data is computed by processor in form of A, that is electrical signal. Question number 80. An example of impact device is. The answer is C, that is line printer. Question number 81. To generate the characters which are required, A, hardware, B, software, C, both A and B. Question number 82. The method which uses array of dots for generating a character is called bitmap method. Question number 83. The hardware device contains color printer, black-white printer, plotter, C, both A and B. The answer is C, that is both A and B. Question number 84. An example of black and white laser printer is A, HP 4000. Question number 85. An example of color printer is QMS. Question number 86. Non-impact use various techniques to combine three color pigment dash to produce a range of color pattern. The answer is A, that is cyan, magenta and yellow. Question number 87. Printers produce output by either impact method, B, non-impact method, C, both A and B. Question number 88. What is name of temporary memory where the graphics data is stored to be displayed on screen? A, RAM, B, ROM, C, frame buffer, D, none. The answer is C, that is frame buffer. Question number 89. The division of computer screen into rows and columns that define the number of pixels to display a picture is called. The answer is A, that is resolution. Question number 90. LCD means. The answer is A, that is liquid crystal display. Question number 91. LCD are commonly used in calculator, portable, C, laptop, computer. The answer is D, that is all of these. Question number 92. LCD is an example dash device. A, emissive, B, non-emissive, C, gas discharge, D, none of these. The answer is non-emissive. Question number 93. Plasma plane is an dash device. The answer is A, that is emissive. Question number 94. Plasma device convert electrical energy into light energy. Question number 95. Plasma panel have dash resolution. High, good. The answer is C, that is both A and B. Question number 96. Plasma panel are also called gas discharge display. Question number 97. Question number 97. The basic graphical interactions are A, pointing, B, positioning, C, both A and B. The answer is C, that is A and B. Question number 98. GUI means graphical user interface. Question number 99. Which one is the basic input device in GUI? The answer is A, that is mouse. Question number 100. Pen or inkjet plotter use the following device: A, drum, B, flatbed, C, both. The answer is C, that is both. Question number 101. A technique by which the vertical and horizontal scan frequency of video signal can be changed for the different purpose and application is called. The answer is A, that is scan conversion. Question number 102. The method which perform the scan conversion by using large number of delay cells are called analog method. Question number 103. Digital method is also known as buffered method. Question number 104. Analog method is also known as real-time or memory-less method. Question number 105. Digital method allows a picture to be stored in line or frame buffer with different speed. Question number 106. A pixel may be defined as smallest size object. Question number 107. A position in plane known as point. Question number 108. A line can be represented by 2 points. Question number 109. The process of coloring the area of a polygon is called polygon filling. Question number 110. How many types of polygon filling? The answer is 3. Question number 111. The algorithm used for filling the interior of polygon is called float fill algorithm. Question number 112. The function of scanline polygon fill algorithm are: find intersection point of the boundary of polygon and scanline. Question number 113. If the pixel is already filled with the desired color, then leave it, otherwise fill it. This is called boundary fill algorithm. Question number 114. A vector can be defined as difference between 2 point position. Question number 115.